Hey, this is Joey at Best Trailers. I'm gonna do a walk around real quick on this Hillcrest trailer we just got in. This is a 25 foot, 20 foot plus 5 with a dovetail. Now this is got the 8,000 pound axles underneath it. You got a 17.5 GVW. We can have that down rated if you want to have it down rated. You got your 10,000 pound jack here on the front. You've got a full size toolbox going across the front here. Custom lid on it. You got the tie loop up front here, grab handle, put some storage up there. Now you've got your standard treated 2x8 pine floor on there. You've got a rub rail going down the side with stake pockets and chain loops there. So wrap your chains on, secure your load. Solid steel wheels, 8 lug, 215, 75, 17.5 tires. Heavy duty tires there, 8,000 pound axles. These are either gonna be oil bath or grease. I'm not sure which one they're using. Batteries usually have one or the other. Has preference on which one you want. Now it has the max ramps on the back here. It'll fold down flat where you can lay cargo all the way across it anywhere you want it, or you can stand it up, have a piece of equipment like a tractor with a bush hog or hair or something that's gonna hang over the dovetail. That way it gives you a little bit extra room there. This is all spring assist, so it doesn't take much to flip it over, flip it up. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia, 478-654-5350.